President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated the first Asian Buddhist summit today, emphasizing India's role as the land of Dharma. She highlighted Siddhartha Gautam's enlightenment in Bodh Gaya and called for the Buddhist community to promote global peace. The two-day summit, organized by the Ministry of Culture and the International Buddhist Confederation, focuses on strengthening Asia through Buddhism. She also unveiled the summit logo and the India as the Dhamma Setu exhibition.
When the world today is facing an existential crisis on many fronts, not only strife but also the climate crisis, your large community has much to offer to humankind. The various schools of Buddhism show the world how to counter narrow sectarianism. Their central message remains focused on peace and non-violence.